I love standing in the cold. Oh, is that it? Is that it? You got them new Timbs, hey?
Oh yeah, I got some new shoes.
Yeah, I see them. I see them.
It's called the Timothy's, dude.
They clean, but nah, they're kind of dirty, dude.
Ah, you think?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they are.
You really shouldn't be going out there with dirty Timbs like that, though.
Oh yeah, my bad, dude. It's winter time. I forgot.
It's slush season, you know. In Winnipeg here, it's not that good. And whatever region you're from, if it's slushy, it's not good.
Yeah, you're right.
We got a little tutorial for these Timbs out here, guys.
Oh, we're cleaning them?
Yeah, we're gonna teach you how to clean them in 1 to 10 easy steps. It's probably in the lower end, but
simple.
you know,
Good thing I don't want to count up to 11, dude.
Before we get into it, can you please hit that like button?
Yeah,
right there.
Yeah.
If you haven't watched our last video,
it's up there.
Subscribe if you haven't.
Yeah, and comment down what your favorite Tim's beverages.
All right, let's get into it. So as you can see, we got some Tim Hortons here. That's not. As you can see, we got some Tim Hortons here on deck. These Tims are dirty. They got some dirt and grime. Colors kind of off. It's like, yeah. Look at
that's fine. Just focus now, bitch.
Yeah. Little crusty action over here.
Dude, what happened?
No, little brown spot. Okay. And it's mirrored on this one here too.
No, dude.
All right, what you want to do here is drum roll, please. You can take one of these microfiber cloths, alright?
Dude, yeah.
And
are they expensive, dude?
You can get these for like $1.
Oh, dude, that's cheap.
Yeah, you just take one of these babies and oh, dude, you'll be taking a lot of the surface area dirt in this off. You can see all the surface area dirt on the ground here. Yeah, you see this brown spot here? Yeah. Most of it's gone, but we have a solution for that.
What are we doing?
If you want to go a little bit more intense with your Tims, making sure that they're all clean and stuff, you can bring some of that Jason Markk out here, dude.
What, dude?
Yeah.
Are we sponsored?
Not sponsored, but we can be.
Oh shit! Yeah.
So what you want to do is get a little bit of this liquid. You know, this is called water. You know, shout outs to H2O one time, keeping me alive.
Yeah, you right.
Get a little bit of a, toothbrush here.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of Jason Markk on there.
Ooh.
Just a little bit, and just start scrubbing away.
Yeah, why it's not focusing? I don't know, but who cares?
Yeah, it's taking.
Oh, dude, yeah.
It's really getting the dirt out of there, dude.
Definitely. It might be taking on everything, dude.
Yeah. So if you really want to discolor your shit,
why is it not focusing? Ah, there it is.
See? So it's gonna come out with a lot of soap suds, and that's where you come in hot with the microfiber cloth.
Yeah.
All right. As you can see, just after one wash, a lot of the dirt's gone.
Oh, dude, I think more than the dirt's gone.
Yeah, it's real good, real good.
Yeah.
You see all the dirt on the microfiber cloth here, right?
Oh.
And let's say you try to speed it up because the toothbrush, it's only good for those little tiny crevices and stuff like that. Here, one of these brushes. Look at these, bitch.
Oh, dude, is that for like horse brushing?
Yeah, dude. Just brush away, dude.
Oh yeah, you did your nails today, didn't you?
I did, dude. Many patties.
Oh yeah. Yo, what step is this?
Where's step 2?
Oh, okay, damn. Yeah.
And look at that, it's all clean.
Oh, dude,
Yeah.
just like
that.
It's still dirty.
There you go. Simple steps. If you guys want to clean your Tims, that's how you do it. Now Jan can walk outside looking fresh, crispy, then a frisbee.
Yeah.
Rice Krispie. So there we go. If you guys liked the video, if it helped you out, make sure to hit that like button down there.
Yeah. If you ain't subscribe.
Yeah, and pip pip cheerio.
Yeah, I love Cheerios, dude. This is heavy. Yeah.
You dare me to brush my teeth with that?
Yeah, I'm down.
You can just cut off like We lit.
I got OPA in my motherfucking vein, yo. I got Oka played in my motherfucking head, yo. And my enemies, and they gon' bleed to death, yo. Wrist underwater and my chain on some Satan, yo. Now I'm gonna catch any killing myself. Let me know what the weather for myself.